Welcome to the library at York County Community College. This short video tutorial will teach you how to use a research database to find magazine, journal, or newspaper articles. Before we get started, if you're doing your research from home, you will need to log into the library website in order to use many of our search tools. Here's how. When you're doing your research from off campus, you will need to log into the library website to use research tools like Credo Reference, streaming video, and the article databases. When you try to search in one of these tools, you will see this screen. Simply type in your student login and your student ID number. This one simple login will give you access to all of our search tools without needing to log in separately for each. If you have any difficulties logging in, please use the online help desk or call the library so we can set up your account. In many of your classes, your instructors will ask you to use magazine, newspaper, and scholarly journal articles in your research projects. You can find these articles by clicking on the Articles tab from the main library webpage or from your custom subject guide. Here we are at the Veterinary Technology Subject Guide, and here's the Articles tab. On the Articles page, you will find research databases that have been recommended by your YCCC librarians. On this subject guide that we are viewing, you can see the librarians have identified 5 databases that are particularly good for research in veterinary technology. The articles you find in research databases are full text, free to YCCC students, and they come with properly formatted citations. You can try to find articles on the internet using Google, but very often they are not full text, not free, and they don't come with citations. So we strongly recommend that you use the library's databases. Let's do a search in this database, ProQuest Central. This database has good broad coverage on many topics. If you're searching from home, you will be asked to log in when you click this link. Here we are on the basic search page. We can enter our keyword search terms in this box. We'll do a search on canine Lyme disease. This is our result list. We found 168 articles on our topic. Some of the articles are scholarly journal articles, as indicated by this icon. Some of them are trade journals, which are meant for practicing professionals, and some of them are newspaper articles. We'll scroll down to see if we can find one of those. There we go. You can narrow your search results by using these tools on the left side of the page. We can select peer-reviewed journals. We can limit by source type, newspaper, trade journal, wire feed. We can use this slider bar to adjust the publication date. So if your instructor has asked you to use only the most recent articles, this is the tool for you. Let's take a closer look at the first article on the list. We'll click on the title, and here we see the full text for the article. On the right side of the page, we have our toolbar, which lets us print the article, email the article, download the PDF, or capture the citation for your references list. You can select your citation style and then highlight your citation for your bibliography. The YCCC librarians recommend that you capture your citations now and do your references list as you're doing your research. If you're having difficulty using any of our research databases, please visit the library or use the library's online help desk to get assistance.